I am Queen of Fuzz at Avant Garb, the mascot studio. We design and build mascots for teams, corporations, businesses. We make mascots for people, places, and things all over the country. We're in the Stutz building here in Indianapolis, Indiana. This is where Stutz Bearcat cars were made in the 20s and 30s. And then it's a building where people have made things since 1920, and now we are here in 2021, and here's Avant Garb, and we are making things in the Stutz building, I think carrying on the tradition. I mean, right now we're making a Kraken for South Puget Sound Community College in Seattle. Once we started, we take out craft paper. I mean, this is very, very old school. We don't take out computers and do CAD things. Here is the Kraken overalls. The arms will be attached here. We make the heads out of foam, a stiff foam, but we're really interested in the heads being lightweight because we always have to think of the performer, and the performer does not want to have 10 pounds of weight on their head. But really, from the time they say go till the time we're finished, it can be 3 to 4 months. People say, well, I want it to be friendly, but I want it to have a game face. And you think those are two different things. Like Jaws for IUPUI, he's all teeth. But he's endearing. I mean, you just want to go in and connect with him. So over here we have, this is our mascot wall of fame. And let's see, where is Jazzy? Here's Jazzy the Jaguar from IUPUI. This is one of my favorite photographs of any mascot. And we've done so many mascots. We've done Jazzy, we've done Jaws. Jaws, you're here. Oh, I've missed you. Oh, magnificent. You are one of my favorites. Look at these teeth, perfect. Look at these eyes, look at his intensity. We make the clothes, we make the muscles. Look at these muscles. Look at that, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, and turn around. We have a special sign in the studio that says tail hole because often we forget to put the hole in the shorts. No mascot is more powerful than another mascot. They are all glorious. And I feel that they bring communities together that would actually never talk to each other. Oh, schnookums.